Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make crispy and delicious potato donuts. Ingredients: potatoes, flour, egg, fresh herbs, dill or parsley, salt, all for frying. Instructions: first, boil the potatoes and mash them until smooth. Then add the egg, chopped fresh herbs, salt, and flour. Mix everything well until a soft dough forms. Shape the dough into small donuts or balls. Heat all in a pan and fry them until golden brown and crispy. Your delicious potato donuts are ready. Crispy outside and soft inside. Enjoy!